Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the SAP GUI and adequate authorizations. That prevents permission errors later. Open SAP Logon, pick the system and sign in. Do not skip this. Once logged in, go straight to Options or press Alt plus F12 for Customize Local Layout. This opens the settings you need. You're acting now. This step locates display preferences where font controls live. Make sure the window is stable before moving on so settings changes apply correctly and you don't lose your place. Once in Options, navigate to Accessibility and Scripting or Interaction Design depending on your GUI version. These houses control visuals. Then choose Visual Design and open Fonts or the renderer settings where size and family are listed. You'll see a preview area. Use it to judge legibility before committing. Increase or decrease size in 1 or 2 point steps to avoid layout breakage. Make sure to test different fonts if spacing shifts occur. Once satisfied, keep the Options dialog open for final confirmation. To finish, click Apply or OK to save your new font settings. Many changes take effect immediately, but restart the SAP GUI if elements overlap or don't update. If the screen layout breaks, revert to the previous value or adjust in smaller increments until stable. If the problem persists, check for system-wide themes or ask your basis/admin to confirm server-side policies. Those can override local settings. One troubleshooting tip: clear the GUI cache or reset to defaults before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.